Burger.
Burger.
I ordered a cheeseburger for lunch.
I ordered a cheeseburger for lunch.
Fries.
Fries.
The fries were hot and crispy.
The fries were hot and crispy.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
I had a hot dog at the baseball game.
I had a hot dog at the baseball game.
Pizza.
Pizza.
We shared a large pepperoni pizza.
We shared a large pepperoni pizza.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken is my comfort food.
Fried chicken is my comfort food.
Taco.
Taco.
This taco has fresh salsa on top.
This taco has fresh salsa on top.
Burrito.
Burrito.
I grabbed a burrito for dinner.
I grabbed a burrito for dinner.
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
I made a turkey sandwich.
I made a turkey sandwich.
Sub.
Sub.
The sub was loaded with vegetables.
The sub was loaded with vegetables.
Wrap.
Wrap.
She ordered a chicken wrap.
She ordered a chicken wrap.
Onion rings.
Onion rings.
Onion rings are my favorite snack.
Onion rings are my favorite snack.
Mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella sticks are cheesy and delicious.
Mozzarella sticks are cheesy and delicious.
Milkshake.
Milkshake.
I love a chocolate milkshake in summer.
I love a chocolate milkshake in summer.
Soft drink.
Soft drink.
He ordered a soft drink with ice.
He ordered a soft drink with ice.
Iced tea.
Iced tea.
Iced tea is refreshing on hot days.
Iced tea is refreshing on hot days.
Smoothie.
Smoothie.
This smoothie is made with strawberries.
This smoothie is made with strawberries.
Donut.
Donut.
I had a glazed donut for breakfast.
I had a glazed donut for breakfast.
Bagel.
Bagel.
The bagel was toasted with cream cheese.
The bagel was toasted with cream cheese.
Nachos.
Nachos.
We shared nachos with melted cheese.
We shared nachos with melted cheese.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
I ate popcorn during the movie.
I ate popcorn during the movie.
Chili dog.
Chili dog.
The chili dog was spicy.
The chili dog was spicy.
Sliders.
Sliders.
The sliders came with mini buns.
The sliders came with mini buns.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Kids love chicken nuggets.
Kids love chicken nuggets.
Corn dog.
Corn dog.
I bought a corn dog at the fair.
I bought a corn dog at the fair.
Fish sandwich.
Fish sandwich.
The fish sandwich came with tartar sauce.
The fish sandwich came with tartar sauce.
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw is a common side dish.
Coleslaw is a common side dish.
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
I had mashed potatoes with gravy.
I had mashed potatoes with gravy.
Apple pie.
Apple pie.
Apple pie is a classic American dessert.
Apple pie is a classic American dessert.
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone.
The ice cream cone melted quickly.
The ice cream cone melted quickly.
Brownie.
Brownie.
The brownie was rich and chocolatey.
The brownie was rich and chocolatey.